This is my Philodendron Gloriosum, and overnight I noticed the leaves just went bad. These are the ones I just clipped off this morning. This happened overnight. So I'm thinking it's the soil and the roots. This plant has been sitting in this soil for some time, so it's about time that we change it out, get it a new pot, get it some new soil, and see if we can get this plant looking good again. Closer inspection, we see new growth. So the plant is still very much healthy. But this soil, I think it's a problem. We're going to give it a different kind of pot. So follow along. Now hopefully it will survive. Still got some damaged leaves, but we're gonna leave them. All right, that's it. Final touches, add some water. If you like videos like this, subscribe and follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.